Hi, my name is Adriana. I'm a customer success manager here at PX, and today we'll look at a very interesting tool that we have in our platform. It's called Source Management. So stay tuned because I know you're going to like it. So welcome to PX. This is the first thing you'll see once you log into your new account. This is your campaign dashboard. And the way you access Source Management is by clicking on the menu here on the left. You go to Sources and then you click Source Management, and that is going to redirect you. Now we're in Source Management. Here under Campaign, you'll be able to select between your different campaigns. In Period, you can choose your date ranges, and you can group it by traffic type, publishers, sub-IDs, and sites. I usually like to group it by publishers, and we'll look at that in a second. Now Source Management is grouped by publisher, and this is really the heart of PX because it's the tool that is going to help you attribute all of your data back to the sources. So down here, you can see in this column all of your different publisher IDs. All of these are different sources that are feeding leads into PX. The available leads column shows how many leads these publishers are feeding into the platform for the date range that you selected. In this column, you have total bids, which means the number of times that your campaign has bid on a lead. Say because it matched your filter settings or your zip list or your state list. Won bids is how many times you've bid and won. Lost bids, how many times you bid and lost. Over on this column, you can see the number of leads that you bought from each source. And after uploading disposition data, you can attribute how many of these leads turn into contacts, pitches, opportunities, and sales. You can also feed your CPA goal into PX, and it'll automatically tell you your CPA for each publisher. It is very important that you share your disposition data with us because that gives us access to how every source in the PX platform is performing for you, and that also helps us make sure that we're meeting your KPIs. So looking at this data, the source that has the lowest CPA is this one, the 11606. Has a CPA of 875, and our win rate is currently 27%, meaning that we could probably bid higher and win more volume. That is performing really well for you. Other sources like this one with a CPA of 26 and a win rate of 59%, we can probably bid a bit lower and still win volume from them. So that's why we say Source Management is the heart of PX. It's the tool that is going to be the most useful for you. PX works with lots of different sources for you to try, but what you want to find is those that work best for you. So let's look at this other quick example. This is a campaign that is currently not sharing disposition data, and this is what we can see. So here we're looking at how many leads you've won, but there's no way for us of knowing if these leads are performing well or underperforming. So we can't really give you recommendations as to what to do in this case. So sharing disposition data is key for you to get the most out of your PX account. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough Source Management, and I hope to meet you soon.